your kids love ice cream, but you don't want to consume all those excess sugars and chemicals, then you'll love my recipe for super healthy ice cream sundae. And it's all made with bananas and strawberries. So we'll just put a cup of frozen bananas into the blender and then add 2 cups of frozen strawberries. So I'm just going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tablespoon of almond milk. Now, just blend. So as you can see, after about 5 minutes of blending, I've got a nice smooth ice cream-like consistency. So I'm just going to put this in the freezer while I make the chocolate sauce. So I've just scooped the ice cream into a glass, and now I'm just going to pour on the chocolate sauce. So here we have my super healthy soft serve sundae. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.